This trap will catch all mice and rats. Your home and garden will be free from rodents. Prepare a large bucket. Any kind will work. This will show you how to make a simple mouse trap. Use a soldering iron to make a hole on one side of the bucket and another hole directly opposite it. Now take an empty plastic bottle and make a hole in the cap and another hole on the opposite side of the bottle. Then take a stick and first push it through the hole in the bucket. Next, pass it through the hole in the bottle on one side and out through the other side of the bottle. Finally, push the stick through the hole on the other side of the bucket so the whole setup stays stable. Now it's time for peanut butter. It's a great bait for mice because of its strong smell. Spread a generous amount on the bottle. Your mouse and rat trap is ready. Simply place it where rodents appear, for example near trash bins, or close to the entrance of your house. Attracted by the smell, they will try to reach the peanut butter and jump onto the bottle. The bottle will spin and the mice will fall straight into the bucket. After that, you can release them somewhere far away from your home. This way you'll quickly see how to get rid of mice around your house. Get rid of rats and mice with ordinary Chinese instant noodles. This simple homemade method costs pennies and is effective. If you have a problem with mice running into your house from the field or rats living in your basement, this trick is for you. Just one serving of this mixture is enough. To prepare it, you'll need Chinese instant noodles. Crush them into small pieces. Their smell and taste will attract rodents. Also, add a large amount of sugar. It also attracts pests. It will be a trap because the next ingredient is baking soda. Add a generous amount. If it is eaten by rats, they will never appear in your basement again. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the prepared bowl in the basement corridor. It will effectively attract rodents to it. The soda in their stomachs will start producing gases that they won't be able to expel. This way, you can get rid of the entire group. Get rid of mice. This will keep them away from your home. This way you can get rid of rodents without setting traps or using harmful poisons. This homemade mixture is a natural deterrent for mice and rats. Do mice appear in your home, basement, or garage? Do you not want to see them anymore? Prepare a mixture that will help you get rid of mice and rats. Pour 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is harmful to rodents. Sweeten the mixture with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Take toothpaste and squeeze it onto a spoon. Add that amount to the mixture. The smell of toothpaste will repel rodents, especially if it has a mint scent. Add 1 tablespoon of patching plaster. Pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix everything well and knead it. The flour, baking soda, and plaster mean that if a mouse or rat tries to eat this mixture, at best it will experience stomach pain. This will discourage further visits. A uniform mass will form. Shape it into small balls and place them on a saucer. Put them wherever you have noticed rodent droppings, mice, or rats. Leave this natural repellent in the garage, attic, or basement as well. These small balls will help ensure a home free of mice and rats. Spray a small aluminum foil pouch with hairspray and place it near your door. I promise you, mice won't come near it. If you're unsure how to keep mice away, here's a method that really works. Mice can show up in any home, especially if there's a garden nearby. In that case, it's best to prepare something that repels them from a distance. Mice hate a few specific scents, and will use them to make a homemade repellent. Grab some cayenne pepper and sprinkle a small amount into a bowl. Add a few cloves. Mice can't stand the smell of either spice. Now add a few drops of peppermint oil, another scent they despise. Lay out a piece of aluminum foil and put the mixture in the center. Wrap it into a small pouch. To let the scent escape, poke a few holes in the foil with a toothpick or don't seal it too tightly. For some reason, mice also dislike aluminum foil itself. Finally, spray the pouch with hairspray. The ingredients in it give off a scent that helps keep many pests away. Place the pouch near a door, window, or even a trash cabinet. This mix combines several effective mouse repellents into one. and works with extra strength. Mice and rats run the moment they get close to this. My home is rodent-free, and you don't need to buy any store-bought traps. Grab a whole head of garlic. It has a strong smell that lingers for a long time and works as a natural repellent. Next, take regular wooden toothpicks you probably already have at home. Start sticking them into the garlic one by one. Use a lot of them. The best way is to push toothpicks into each clove from every side. It's a completely natural solution that won't harm plants, pets, or the soil. Wait a few minutes, but that's not all. You can make it even stronger. Take a bowl and pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon because it has a sharp, irritating scent that works as an extra deterrent. Mix everything well until it's combined. Now just pour this over the garlic. The liquid spreads the smell around the garlic and the area nearby, making it work even better. Cinnamon and garlic together create an intense scent barrier that mice and rats can't stand. Place these garlic spikes near entry points, in the basement, along the walls, in the garage, or anywhere you've seen rodent activity. They'll smell it and avoid those areas completely. With this, they stop coming back, and now you know how to drive rodents out of your home quickly and naturally. One small ball can effectively drive mice and rats out of your home. These rodents are extremely clever and alert. They contaminate spaces and destroy food supplies, so it's best to act immediately. Prepare a larger bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Their smell attracts rodents and encourages them to investigate the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Its effect makes the area unfriendly to rodents, causing them to stop returning. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Squeeze in a generous amount of toothpaste. Its strong aroma is irritating and strengthens the repellent effect. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, so the mixture becomes thick and easy to shape. Finally, pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar, whose sharp smell further discourages rodents from staying in the area. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon. Form one larger ball, and then divide it into smaller ones. Arrange them on a small tray so they are easy to carry and place. Put the balls wherever mice or rats appear, near doors, in the kitchen, in the hallway, or in the garden. The intense smell and action of the mixture will make them leave quickly and prevent them from returning. This is how you can catch all rats and mice. Prepare a regular bucket and a wooden board. Attach an empty toilet paper roll to the end of the board using a piece of tape. On the other side of the roll, spread some peanut butter. The smell of peanut butter attracts them. When the mouse tries to reach the bait, the roll spins and the mouse falls into the bucket. You can later release the captured animals far away from your home.